Hi, and thanks for tuning in to Access Unlimited's YouTube channel. Today we've got another exciting option for you, the multi-lift, shown for use on a dock to lift a user into and out of a boat. So this multi-lift is a long travel unit, typically designed for getting in and out of the water over here in this particular circumstance, and here we're getting down into the bow of the boat. There'll be other videos in the notes field down below to show you other accesses to the boat. The mount is right over here. This is a flush mount deck mount. There's lots of different ways that we connect to the dock, but this one is a deck mount surface mount. So we've already hooked the sling up, and there's another video down below that will show you that, but we'd like to just show you connecting the lift to the sling. So we've got the two leg tabs right here. Hook those up. Arm tabs. And this is shown in use in combination with a bath combo sling, which is the most popular sling to use in a boat. Gives you lots of flexibility. So first, we're going to raise. Now you'll have to work with our training department on the particular best and safest way to work with a particular user's needs. And we're down to the bow of the boat. Now we've got a little handle in the back here to do some final positioning. Get the user right in place. Detach. And we're ready to go for a ride. If you'd like more information about our company and our products, definitely check us out on Facebook at facebook.com/accessun. We're on YouTube at youtube.com/accessun. And of course, you can follow us on Twitter at accessun. We're on Pinterest at Access Unlimited, and we're on Instagram at Access Unlimited as well. You can contact us on our website at www.accessunlimited.com. Give us a call the old-fashioned way at 1-607-669-4822. That's in the United States, country code 1 Eastern Standard Time. And also evenings and weekends are no problem at 1-615-873-0518. Thank you so much for watching our video, and we look forward to working with you soon.